So in this video, these are the premium features from the Fiverr, and in my profile I can also book paid consultation, and I can also put intro video. So if you are a level 2 seller, if you are a level 1 seller, then make sure you have this kind of options so that you can display your profile in better way. So right now I have some option, I have some features to activate. So right now we have also got these features where we can add client. So I'm going to tell you how you can add your offline customer into your Fiverr so that your client get approved, just like in my case. Let me show one better example. Okay, just open this gig. So now you see that whenever I just open the gig, then it's showing that we have a previous customer called Ulfier where I provided the services. So this helps you to build your profile in a better way so that potential prospect, once they will land to your profile page, they will notice you, and it's very easy to get hired by those customers. So in order to seize this kind of badge on your profile, you need to register your client. Maybe that client can be your offline, maybe some other places, maybe some other platform, maybe on Upwork, maybe on Guru, no matter. So if that client is on Upwork, on Fiverr, on Guru, then we have to just provide all the information regarding your past project, regarding your payment source. Then Fiverr will easily approve your client's name inside the Fiverr. And if they have already existing that company inside the Fiverr, then it's very easy to get approval and it's very easy to get verified. Now I'm going to show you step by step how we can add this kind of customers, clients in your profile. Just go to the add client. Now in my case, my client name is, let me check my PayPal. This is my client name. So client name is Contact Center Solution. Okay, just add here. So this client is not in the Fiverr approved list. Just paste it. Now just put the website which you created for the client. Actually I have created the affiliate website for this client. So this is the affiliate website. So the project requirement is to create the affiliate website related to electronics component. Okay, now this is the duration of the completion of the project, and just make it sure we have a sufficient time frame where we can complete our project. Now project description, just copy from here, copy down. We have already mentioned this portfolio also on Upwork. Simply copy down the project description from Upwork and simply paste inside the Fiverr. That's all. Now again, Fiverr need to check whether we got paid or not. So for that we need to provide the invoice deal for another kind of verification. Then once Fiverr understand that you have completed the project, you have also got payment. So in that case, your client get approved on Fiverr. Just put the invoice link, just copy down and just paste it, and that's it. Now confirm. So confirm that I have worked with this client and project. We have permission to publish their name and logo on the Fiverr. So in this way we can simply publish our previous customer project inside the Fiverr. That's it guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask me to comment box. I will definitely reply. Thank you so much.